Hello, good morning. My name is Angelo Geronimo, your licensed real estate broker. At welcome kayo sa Ombre Estate. So, nasa likod ko naman ang Unit B. Ang lot area po nito ay around 50 square meters. Ang floor area naman po ay 84.87 square meters. Ang TCP po niya ay around 3.9 at meron po tayong discount ngayon na 5%, around 195,000 po yan. Kaya lumalabas siyang 3.7 million. So grab nyo na ang opportunity na magkaroon ng 5% discount. For your reservation, message nyo lang ako. Nandito lang po ang aking number. You can reach me through WhatsApp, through Viber, and also you can message me through my personal account, Angelo Geronimo, RE Broker. Alright, tara, samahan nyo ako. Papasukin po natin ang Unit B Townhouse ng Easton Park. Okay. Total of 465 units po ang meron po tayo dito sa Easton Park. Okay, naka-pre-selling po tayo dito. So dito po sa kanan natin ang turnover. Ang left side naman po ang ating dressed up. Ang 5% discount po natin ay hanggang December 2025 lang po. Unit B, TH, Townhouse. So pagpasok po natin, open space layout. Ay, Gavin. So meron po tayong toilet and bath dito sa left side. Yeah. Dito si Gavin. Hi. Oh, yeah. So we have a open style layout design. Yes, and this is the laundry area. Okay. Naka-corner lang po, kaya mukha siyang maluwag. Nagre-range po lang tayo ng inner model ng 50 square meters lot area. Ang floor area po natin ay 84.87 square meters. Ranging there sa presyo na yun. Para sa maliit na kid. Yan. Starting a family. Okay. Ito naman ang ating master bedroom. Mga nag-i-start ng family. Pwede na yan. 3.9 million with a discount of 5% discount until December 2025. 3.7 million. Meron siyang 10% na down payment and the rest po ay RCBC.
House and lots or a condo call. Farms that breathe and spaces that shine. Hombre Estate, your life's design. Come vibe with us where the good life grows. Sta Lucia's charm where the river flows. Filinvest dreams, sun valleys glow. Hombre Estate, let your heart just know. North, east, west, south, we're